Welcome to Spellbinders May 2026 Large Die of the Month Pop of Summer. Let's look at the dies included in this kit. These two dies create a soda can. You can cut the pieces from regular or metallic cardstock and assemble as shown. These dies create a straw. Cut one piece from colored cardstock and another from white. These dies create an umbrella. You have multiple pieces to be able to cut a multicolor umbrella for your project. These dies create an orange slice. Cut them from various colors of cardstock and assemble with glue. We also included several leaf dies for you. These dies create a mini rainbow that you can place on the front of the soda can. These dies create a watermelon. These dies create a berry skewer. These dies create a bird. Let's make a card. Cut white cardstock panel to 4.5 by 6.5 inches. Ink blend yellow ink from the bottom of the panel about halfway up. Stamp sentiment from the May 2026 clear stamp and die of the month in black ink. Foam mount your panel to a 5x7 Bellini card base. Foam mount the soda can and other elements in the center of the card to create a scene. Embellish your card with black enamel dots and enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!